You wouldn't be different from many people who comment under my videos that how do I get bandwidth sharing, how do I earn from a PC even when Salad app does not pay them. Because even though I have an RTX graphics card, most of the people watching my videos do not have it, so they cannot run Salad for a long time. And even though I had the same problem many years ago, I had a GTX 1650, still I used to earn a lot through bandwidth sharing. And in this video I will tell you how I used to earn through my potato PC or potato laptop with bandwidth sharing without Salad or without any RTX card. So first of all, let me clarify, bandwidth sharing is a way of Salad app through which you can earn through your extra internet. You can see here there is GPU, then CPU, and then there is bandwidth sharing which is enabled. Basically you just give out your extra Wi-Fi and it does not take any money. It is the most harmless and free way to earn your money through Salad. And Salad also used to pay very good for bandwidth sharing. Now the method that I use is not from Salad app, so some people can be happy that they do not have to use the app. But still, if you do not know what Salad is basically a computer sharing network where you use your computer's idle resources to power up the cloud so that companies can run stuff on your idle PC. So if you want to earn from your AFK PC, you can simply go to Google and type bit.ly slash silent hyphen ignite. When you go to this link, you can simply enter and you will come here and you can download. But let us now come back to the video topic, where how you can earn from your PC without Salad app. You can use bandwidth sharing. So the first app I use is Honeygain. It is really good. It gives me a lot of results. As you can see, I've been earning good amounts in Honeygain from many days, and it just takes your internet which is extra from your PC. It takes extra Wi-Fi and it pays you in Honeygain balance, and 1000 balance is $1. So 10,500 balance is $10.5 for your reference, and the payout limit for it is $20. You have to collect 20,000 points before redeeming, and these days collecting through Honeygain is really easy. Just go to the link which is the first link in the description and first link in the pinned comment. Simply click on it to download it and let it run in the background. I run it on my laptop which is a Mac. I run it on Windows. I run it on my phone. I have a tablet. I run it on like 4 devices, and usually I have 3 different connections. You need different connections to run Honeygain so that you can earn. So on phone I use mobile data. When I'm in college I use my laptop, and I use my tab for with another connection, and with my PC I have my Wi-Fi. So you need more connections to earn more from Honeygain. You can also earn from 2 connections by using your Wi-Fi and your mobile data. But yeah, that is it for Honeygain. You can simply go to the link in the pinned comment and download Honeygain. Now the second app, which is a underdog, many people do not know about this in India. At least in US many people know about this, but it is an awesome app which helps you earn a lot, which is Earn app. So Earn app is also basically like Honeygain, and it allows you to auto redeem through PayPal. As you can see, I have $6 in balance. So the good thing about this app is it is very transparent. It gives you earnings right in front of you, not in any points or anything, and I think that this is very good. You can see I recently started using it and my balance already is $34.38, which I think is really good. And you can simply run this application too. If I show it to you on my PC, it is running. Wait, let me see. Yeah, so here you can see this is my email ID. This is showing my app is active, and it is showing it is really good. See, it is also showing how much time, how much data I've contributed. It's showing me that I've contributed on 400 MB. So per 100 MB it is giving you $0.04, which is pretty good. If you think that many Wi-Fi speeds are GB per second, my internet is very slow, and if I can earn good amounts through Earn app and through Honeygain, it means obviously you or anybody else on this planet can earn too. So as you can see, my speed is really slow. I just earned 400 MB and still I made 0.04, during this time. And you can simply click on this button to pause the earnings and start earning. It is earning right now, and it also has multiple offers here which you can do by downloading apps. And you can go and download earn app to the first link in the description and the first link in the pinned comment too. And now let me tell you a misconception which many people think is a problem. So in earn app, let me show you. See, it is saying that refer and earn. So many people think that if you use my referral link, see, it is saying earn 10% of referral earnings. Many people might think that if you click on this link, which is my link in the pinned comment and the description, which I keep promoting, if you click on it, I will be stealing 10% of your earnings. But as you can see from the earn app team, it says users who sign up using my earn app link will earn me a lifetime income of 10% extra of their earnings, which is that users still receive their full earnings, which means you do not have to worry about your earnings being stolen. So I just wanted to clarify that, because many people in the comments, still, even if I'm showing this, many people will not see the full video, but you just saw the full video, which means you got to understand that it will not take your earnings. So yeah, I just wanted to make this short video. Many people kept asking me that how I earned with my old graphic card, or how I earned through my potato laptop, which was my first laptop, if you follow this channel. So yeah, that is how I've been earning. I've been running all of these apps together on my PC, and I've been testing some new apps too. So comment the word apps, 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 if you want to see which apps that I use to earn from my passive PC. You can simply comment the word apps, and I will make a video on it maybe. So yeah, you can subscribe so that you get notified when I upload that video. And thank you. You can click on this video on the screen to watch too, and I'll see you in the next one.